Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a simple car in the game of Build a Block of Treasure. So the blocks you're going to need is the butter block, a block of your choice. For this I'm going to use gold. You're going to need car seat, 2 servos, or whatever these things are, and at least 4 wheels. Or 2 wheels if you're making a weird bike combination. And those are the blocks you're gonna need for the car. So you're gonna need 2 of the slime blocks to build a tower. And make sure anchor blocks is off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my gold blocks and I'm gonna make a 7 length kind of spine for the car, and then I'm gonna go make a T of the 2 blocks on the back where the back wheels are gonna go, and in the front I'm gonna go ahead and grab the 2 whatever these things are and get down to right here where the light gray is attached to the main part of the car and it's on the bottom. So now you have these. You want to go get the 4 wheels and place them on the darker gray. Now that you got the basic format for a car, you can go ahead and add the car seat, and just like that you get a working car. You can always add details to it, and if you tap the squishies it releases the car. Now you're free. See, perfectly working car. It steers left and right. It can go forward and backwards. It can intrude into other people's territories and anger them. And you can bring along as a gun. People have PvP on. I'm gonna go ram into this guy. Okay, that didn't seem to work. I'm gonna have to leave before he kicks me out and kills me. It happened once. I hope you learn something from the tutorial and have fun creating oops. Yeah, subscribe and run. Bye.